This is the Rongta RP420. It's a thermal shipping label printer. So I ship out a lot of stuff. If you're new here, I do a lot of camera and tech reviews, and I get a lot of packages coming in practically every day. I don't have space for everything, so I give a lot of these things away. I pack and label everything at home, but I hated using my printer to make labels because I kept running out of black ink. I wasn't joking when I said I ship out a lot of stuff. Luckily, Rongta sent me this label printer to check out, and after using it for a few weeks now, I don't know why I didn't buy this months ago. So this shipping label printer doesn't use any ink or toners or ribbons. It uses thermal technology to deliver 203 dpi resolution for high quality prints. It prints on most thermal labels up to 4 inches in width. It does come with 100 4x6 fan fold labels. Rongta suggests using a label holder with it, but it's been working fine with me just setting the paper behind it. Maybe I'll pick one up later. It also comes with a USB drive that has the drivers you need for Windows and Mac, but I just do everything from my phone. The driver is also on their website just in case you lose this thing. It works on iOS and Android with the RT e-label app. It connects via Bluetooth, and the whole thing is pretty easy to use. You don't even need to directly open the app. Okay, so it might be a little bit intimidating when you first start using this label printer because it comes with this card with all of these QR codes on it. Each code links to a video, which is useful and will guide you through everything, but let me show you how fast and easy it is to use this printer. So to get started, open the top cover. Insert the label paper in the back using the paper guide. It doesn't matter how much paper you feed through here because once you turn it on, the printer will detect and align the paper. Then on your phone, open the label that you want to print. Click the share button and then find the RTE label app. You might have to scroll all the way to the right and click on more to find it. I made it easier to find by adding the app to my favorites since I use this printer a lot. But yeah, choose the RTE label app and you'll get this screen. Choose the paper size you're printing on, then pick your printing threshold. I found that having it at 200 works perfect for when the post office or UPS needs to scan it. Click next. A couple more settings, and as you can see here, the printer isn't connected. So just click on that to connect the printer. It pairs pretty quick. And then click print. It prints really fast. Now I have everything blurred here, but here's a sample print from the RP420. And that's it. Now this printer is relatively small and easy to take on the go if you need to bring it with you. It does need to be plugged in to be powered on since it doesn't have a built-in battery, so you can't just be making labels in the middle of a field. After using this for a few weeks, I haven't had any problems using this printer. My only gripe with it is the beeping sound when you don't have paper in it. It's so loud and unnecessary. I've been liking the stuff from Rongta. I reviewed this portable thermal printer in another video, and this has been one of my favorite travel accessories. Rongta really seems to know what they're doing when it comes to thermal printing. But yeah, if you're interested in the RP420, I'll have it linked in the description. Now I just need to find a way to save the colored ink cartridges in my printer. See ya.